Hi, it's Dr. Jock here with Baby Sven, and today I'm going to do two unboxings of some Disney classic steelbooks, and we have the Aristocats and the Hunchback of Notre. So let's start with the Aristocats. So here's the front and the spine, and then the back artwork. And then I'll show you the front of the Hunchback of Notre, and then the sides, and then finally the back. And I'll be back once I've got the cellophane off. So here is the front of the Aristocats steelbook without the J-card or cellophane on. And then the spine. And then the back artwork. We open it up. We get the plain blue disc, Disney Movie Awards code, and then the inside artwork. And then we have the front of the Hunchback of Notre without the J-card, and then the spine, and then the back artwork, and then just the movie awards code, plain blue disc, and then the inside artwork. So yeah, that was my unboxing of the Aristocats and the Hunchback of Notre. Thanks for watching. Bye.